If you ever tried opening any app on your iPhone and you get this message that Face ID is required, then how do you turn off Face ID for apps on iPhone? That's what we are going to learn in today's video. Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Pro, and without any further delay, let's learn how you can turn off Face ID for apps on iPhone or iPad. In order to turn off Face ID requirements for apps on iPhone or iPad, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to just long press on the app for which you want to remove Face ID. Next, from these options, you have to select Don't require Face ID. And when you tap on it, this will require your Face ID verification. And once the verification is done, the app will simply open without the requirement for Face ID. And that way, you'll be able to turn off Face ID for apps on iPhone or iPad. I hope you found this video helpful. And by the way, if you want to learn how to fix Face ID on your iPhone, make sure you tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching.